Hello, friends. Here is a testimony kind of thing for the lean to take effect on the shop floor. Here is a colleague of mine. He works on this lathe machine, quite big one. And as the nature of the work is, the chips fly all around, finally falling down behind the machine like this. And he has been cleaning this mess maybe for since his working life. And now, after implementation of lean, he realized, oh, can be a better way. So he installed this sheet behind the machine, fabricated, laser cut, painted, and then installed it. So the chips could glide through and fall into a plastic bin below the machine. The chips collection became easy, but still there was a work that he has to bend, he has to move the plastic bin out and remove the chips from the bin and then put it back. Then he came up with another idea that rather than working with these plastic bins, why not have a metal trolley with wheels so that the movement of these bins also could become easier. Thank you very much.